Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming clearance and removing any debris that could scratch paint. This prevents damage and lets the rack sit flat. Once done, place the rack base centered on the trunk lip so weight distributes evenly, and hook the lower anchors under the bumper edge. Next, attach the top straps to the hatch or roof edge and hand tighten. This secures position without overtensioning, which lets you fine-tune alignment in the next step. Now you lift each bike onto the tray arms or cradles, setting heavier bikes inward to balance load. This reduces sway and strain on mounts. Once in place, fasten the frame straps or ratchets around the tubes, tightening until the frame sits snugly without bending cables or frames. Then cross the top straps and tighten the main straps to eliminate side-to-side play. This ensures the rack and bikes move as one with the car, improving safety, and finish by doing a walk around and pushing each bike to confirm there's no unwanted movement. This visual check catches loose anchors before you drive. Once satisfied, take a short test drive and retighten straps and attachment points. Materials stretch, so a second adjustment is normal. If you notice rubbing or paint contact, add padding or slightly reposition the bikes to prevent scratches. If instability persists, stop and reseat the rack, because resolving fit issues now avoids bigger problems on the road.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.